You search for how to buy shares of Victorian Plumbing Group Plc. Victorian Plumbing is a UK online retailer of bathroom and plumbing products listed on LSE PLC under the ticker Victoria.L, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Victoria.L to find the listing. Select the result that clearly identifies Victorian Plumbing Group Plc on the London Stock Exchange. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker match so you have the correct stock. Choose the invest or buy action. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.